Yeah, this is an Enco model 328-1308. It's a combination milling, drilling, lathe machine. It's 3/4 horsepower, 110 volt, and it appears to be unused. And it's in really good condition. However, there is just a slight thing going on, a little shipping distress. We have this cabinet here. The original skid kind of busted apart and pushed this enclosure up a little bit and over a little bit. In no way does it affect the proper operation of the machine. You could probably straighten it out or just leave it as is. The door still closes and locks, but still, overall, it's a very nice machine. We checked all the functions on the machine. Everything looks good. There's no cracks, no other dings or dents or anything like that. So, what we're going to do, we have it powered up so you can watch it run. We have it on the drilling portion of it right now. We'll turn this on. This is a 7-speed belt drive. Everything works on here. Quill goes down real nice. I believe you can hold this quill by, if you want to, you lock this in. Again, that's forward. You can reverse. Alright, and what's nice about this, you can swing this over. You can swing it back. And then you can put it in your position. Just lock it into place. Okay, that's the drilling, milling portion. There's a little clutch here. You just pull this little bar out right here. Make sure it's locked in. And you have the lathe. Pretty cool. Now we have this apron does move, but it's moving extremely slow right now. It's because of the gearing. You can add or subtract gears to make it go a little faster for threading and or feeding. Okay. Before it goes a little too far, we're going to put it in reverse. Now the apron is coming back this way. That's off and then on. And there's different speed settings right here. All right, we checked all the functions on the apron, the X and Y axis. This has got a little clamp on it right here, like a vise. As you can see, there's your clamping for your tooling. Tailstock works great. Like I said, all the functions work really, really well on this machine. The only drawback, if you want to call it that, is the gearbox enclosure. So there you have it, the Enco 3-in-1 milling drilling machine. And we thank you for looking at our product.